Hello guys, welcome to our video how to make money online in 2023. Today we are here to show you how you can earn money from the comfort of your home using the internet. So let's discover the top 5 online earning methods and let me be your guide to success in earning money online. Get ready for exciting journey ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. So let's get started. So method number 1 is freelancing. Utilize your skills. Are you ready to use your skills to make money online? Freelancing is the way to go in 2023. You can work independently for clients around the world if you are good at writing, designing, coding, or marketing. There are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, where you can find freelance work. It is a flexible way to earn money online doing what you love. Method number 2, e-commerce and dropshipping. Start your online store. Have you ever dreamed of owning your online store? Well, in 2023, it is easier than ever. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay offer opportunities to start your e-commerce business. You can sell products to people all over the world. If you don't want to handle inventory, try dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers to take care of your shipping for you. Method number 3, creating online content. Share your passion. Are you passionate about something? Why not turn it into a way to make money online? Starting a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog can help you to share your knowledge and interests with others. In 2023, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and selling merchandise related to your content. It is a fun and creative way to make money online doing what you love. Method number 4, teaching and coaching online. Share your expertise. If you have expertise in particular subject, why not to share with others and make money at the same time? In 2023, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Alternatively, you can offer coaching or consulting service to help people to achieve their goals. It is a fulfilling way to make money online and helping others to get succeed. Method 5, investing in cryptocurrency. Grow your money wisely. Are you interested in growing money through investment? In 2023, you can explore the world of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other digital assets. However, remember to approach it with caution and start and do thorough research. Learn the different investment strategies, seek advice from experts, and start small to minimize risks. So congratulations on discovering the world of making money online in 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification to stay updated on more ways to make money online. Thank you for watching and we wish you the best of luck on your money making online journey. See you in the next video. Take care.